two, one.
Wow, really?
Ah, oh.
Wow. Are you so happy for that?
Oh, God.
Oh,
Oh.
uh-huh.
Oh.
Mm. You mean your team won today, right? Wow. What did you win? Like the game, you won the game today. Uh-huh. Wow. I am so happy for you.
Ah.
Yes, I am very, very, very happy for you. I think that, yeah, yeah. I think that it really feels so good when your team won from the game, right? You know that it will really, really make you and your team happy to win the game all the time, right? Yes, okay. Are you ready? Are you ready for our discussion? Okay, what do you want to discuss today? What do you want us to discuss? Happy? Oh, something happy and something fun. Wow. Something happy or fun. Okay, maybe we should talk about, hmm, we should talk about people that we like. You know, when I was high school, I didn't have, I didn't have any chingu. No, 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 no. I mean, I didn't have, when I was high school, I didn't have tagia.
Um.
No boyfriend when I was high school. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yum, yum. Tapos ay kami. Ah. Ah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, really? Wow.
Ah.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Do you want to have a tagia? Wow. Oh my god. Ah, that is so annoying, you know? Yeah, I think that's kind of like really, 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 really annoying for you. Mm-hmm. Oh, maybe she's trying to make you jealous. Uh-huh. Maybe she wants you to have your own boyfriend also, right? Oh no. But you can't have a boyfriend at your young age. What? Oh my god, really? Uh-huh. Oh, I wanted to have my BTS boyfriend. I want. But I want to marry. I think I want to marry Jungkook. I want Jungkook to be my husband. Mhm. Yeah, but I think everyone thinks that if I will be rich and I will be really, 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 really rich, I want to have
Mm.
a surgery.
Boy.